Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Monday, yes, it's Monday, December the 2nd, 2024, and it's also today, 421 days ago, another war started in not in Ukraine, but in Israel, I guess, again, Hamas, Hezbollah, Iran, yeah, all those enemies. And last week there was a ceasefire between Lebanon and Israel. Well, let me correct this: Hezbollah and Israel ceasefire. Well, this fighting again. So no ceasefire. Anyway, let me continue with this puzzle. Four Star Sudoku number 9689. Before I started, I always counted printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Well, usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24. This one has 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars for 4 stars puzzle. 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, only should place level 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. 7, 7. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Need 8 here. Need 9 here. Need 9 there. Need 6 here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle, second row, the only 2 places level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Well, in this row, last row, we need a 1. Here give me 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here give me 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. And here give me 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the only place level 1 in the last row should be there. One of the missing numbers in the last row is number 8. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place level 8 should be there. 4 and a 3. 2 numbers left now in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, then. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Let me think. Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1. Need a 9 here. Come on. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between only 3 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 in that row, no 8 there. The only place level 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 8. And now, let me see. How about the number? should be here. 6 here. Come on. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7. 7. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 7 should be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left of the 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, no 9. 9 should be here. Then 2, 3, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. He's missing the 3. He's missing the 4. The 5. He's missing 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this second row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. Need a 4 here. And then need a 6 here. Yeah. 4 and a 6 in this row. 4 and a 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 4 and a 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. And the 4 could be everywhere. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing here. 2 numbers left. No, 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for 3 could be here, could be there. Wow. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between the only 3 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 could be here, could be there. Yeah, in this big square we need a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. So mark those 2 boxes early with a 9. This can be 9 anymore. That box will be 9. And for eliminated here. Oh no, 4 and a 6 are left. Okay. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column 3 now only 2 places level 3. Could be here, could be there. Need a 6, need a 4, need a 2, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, and a 5. 2, 6, 4, and a 5. In this big square, we need a 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box level 3 in this big square. Should be there. Okay. Need a 3 here. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 4. Okay. 2, 5, 6. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in this box. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. And 1 on my left here, the 2 is missing. 7 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And I need a 6 here. 1, 2, need a 3 here. We have a 3. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for 4 should be there. So the 3 and a 6. 7, 8, 9 is missing. Need a 9 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, and look at 3 and a 9 in this row. No 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place level 6 should be there. And we need a 3 in this column. We have a 3 in this row, first row, no 3 there, so 3 could be here, could be there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2, 5, and I need a 9 in this row. Yeah, 9, 9. 4, 6, how about these? 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 place level 1. Could be here, could be there. 1, need a 2 here. These 3 missing numbers in, oh wait, 1 number left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 over here, the 4 goes there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2's missing, yeah, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Okay, 2, 7, and the 4 is missing here. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 could be here, could be there. 2 to 5. 2, 5. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place level 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 5 goes there. Whoa. 2 numbers left here. The 3, oh wait, the 3 and a 9. We have a 9 already in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with the 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so this can be 5 anymore. This should be a 2. 2 numbers left now. This big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5, 9, 5, 9. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. White 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. We have a 4, 5 here in this column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 6. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 place level 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. 6 will be here. 1 box left now in the third column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, 2, 2. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row, so this will be a 7. 2 and a 7. We have a 7 now, so this box should be a 2. So the 4 and a 7 are left. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. Last column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left. The 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5. So 1 box left in this. Oh, 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here, 4 goes there, and the final number in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 14 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Wow. The first one was a hard one. This one easy one. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF. You can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.